Hit the red key fever. 11-11.
Hey, we about to end the motherfucking year out
It's
right,
11-11.
You got your shit goddamn dropping.
It's 11-11.
They gon' drop it sometime soon, nigga.
It's
November.
11-11.
Hey, we about to end
It's
the year out
11-11.
right, my nigga. On me, the grind do not stop.
It's 11-11.
No time for the talk.
It's 11-11.
You ain't know what time it is.
It's 11-11. It's 11-11. You know what I'm on. It's 11-11. I just looked at my phone. It's 11-11. Ice all on my watch, but it's 11-11.
Bling.
It's 11-11.
Yeah.
You know what I'm on. It's 11-11.
11.
Just looked at my phone. It's 11-11.
Hello.
Ice all on my watch, but it's 11-11.
Yeah.
I've been on the scene. It's 11-11.
Yeah.
Just checked in with my chick, cause it's 11-11.
What up?
Can't go to heaven early, I keep me a weapon. Glock on me at all times, 38 on the dresser.
It is.
Nigga be quiet but listen, why a nigga progressing?
Yeah.
A nigga getting older, got no time for the stress.
Real.
Every day I wake up, say my prayers, get the blessings.
I'm blessed.
Only like Glock products, I don't do Smith & Wesson. In a few years, I'm about to move out of Texas.
Yeah.
Catch me out in Dallas, it's 11-11. What's up, y'all? Showtime with the Hulk. Today's episode, we're going to the Spring All-4 car show at the Mustang Museum. And I've never been to the museum. This will be my first time, so I'm going to check it out and see what it's about. Stay tuned. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe. It don't cost you nothing. Or follow me on Instagram, Showtime with the Hulk.
And you ain't gotta do too much and that ass gon' move. And I don't give a fuck about a roll or a stretch mark. I do that bit with that before I came in this room. And I don't give a fuck about a little bit of stomach. Every tall and a fupa. Like you're spinning on my leg, your ass down with your legs on my shoulder to the stomach, but that's okay. She gon' let a real nigga eat. I appreciate a woman with a whole lot of cake. Baby, that's a whole lot of shake. If I die, then I die, baby, right in my face. I'm a run your waist and no, don't real tight when you do it. Just like listen when you ride to the music. Got a little bit of stomach.
Tell me what's happening.
We are in for a treat.
She kept saying there's food time.
Yeah, it's real nice, man. Beautiful. Nice place.
Build you one of those.
Huh?
Need to build you one of those.
My dream car.
Is it?
Yeah. Maybe in a couple years.
Yeah.
I'm working on one.
Yeah.
This one yours?
Yeah.
What made you decide to go with a modern engine?
Well, I've got an old 66 coupe,
Mhm.
old school 289 top loader, 4-speed and all that.
Okay.
And I always wanted a fastback, and I had a 2013 GT with basically this motor.
Okay.
Yeah, it was a Gen 1, I guess. This is a Gen 2, but I love that Coyote and watching Revology
Gotcha.
videos on YouTube, and I said, I'm going to try that.
Yeah. Yeah. That's kind of like when I do eventually find one and build, that's kind of like the same, setup I want to do, Wow.
There's a lot to it.
Yeah. Did it take you a long time as far as the swap go?
Most of it was, I did most of it during COVID.
Okay, so you had time.
I had time, lots of time
Gotcha.
to kill. So I spent about 2 years.
Okay.
The bulk of it. I didn't finish it in 2 years, but
Oh, yeah,
most
yeah.
of it.
Oh, yeah, I love it. It's nice.
Thanks.
You travel far with it, or just like a Sunday car?
I haven't yet, but I will.
Okay.
planning to do some longer trips in it.
Okay,
So,
gotcha.
but it's all modern drivetrain, so
Everything.
just drive it.
Gotcha. Nice.
And,
That's nice. How you doing, sir?
When you didn't need as much time to do.
No.
But you got to buy it now.
Yeah. You're right about that.
About 20. Maybe more.
Yeah.
Somebody jump high enough.
Yeah. Appreciate it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, my son's got it.
What's that?
My son's got a Skyline.
Beautiful rumble to his trailer.
He is the man to talk to later.
Sure.
Exactly.
Nice ride, man. Thank you. Beautiful. It sounded beautiful when you pulled up. Yeah, we forgot to
Pulls that big a little bit out. Looks pretty.
Yeah.
Cleaning up in the trunk. I mean,
I think maybe 5 years. Got it. This guy bought it. Had it for a little bit.
For a 2000. And it's
I love how they brought this back. Yeah, that
Yeah.
Yeah, that's my kid. That's his mom made over. I love it. I fight with my younger one about it.
What's up, y'all? So there's a lot of nice cars and stuff out here. I enjoy the library. There's a lot of old Mustang magazines and stuff in the library, which I used to collect them as a kid. I still got a lot of them, so that brought me down childhood. So, I enjoyed that. And a lot of cool cars in there, so it was a good experience. I'm glad I came.